Experian Boost only updates your credit score after your bank account data is successfully linked and verified, and most not working issues come from failed account connections or unsupported bills. By the end, you'll know exactly why Experian Boost is not working for you, and the exact steps to fix it, so it starts updating your credit profile again. First thing to understand is how Experian Boost works. It scans your bank account for eligible payments like utilities, phone bills, and streaming services. If it can't verify your bank login, it won't find any data to boost your score. Start by checking your bank connection inside the Experian app. If it shows disconnected or needs attention, remove the account and reconnect it using the correct login details. A lot of failures come from outdated passwords or banks requiring extra verification steps. Next issue is unsupported accounts. Experian Boost does not work with every bank or every type of bill. Some prepaid accounts, certain credit unions, and shared accounts may not sync properly. If your bills are paid through a service that doesn't show up in your bank feed, Boost won't detect them. Also, check transaction visibility. Experian needs to see clear recurring payments. If your bill payments are bundled, manually adjusted, or paid through third-party platforms, they may not be recognized as eligible Boost data. Another common problem is app or browser glitches. If you're using the mobile app, force close it and reopen it. If you're on a browser, clear cache or switch to another browser. Then log back into Experian and recheck the Boost section. If everything looks connected but nothing updates, the fix is to turn Boost off completely and re-enable it. This forces Experian to rescan your linked accounts from scratch and rebuild your Boost profile. Finally, give it time after changes. Even after a successful fix, updates don't always show instantly because Experian processes data in batches. If you still see no change after all these steps, the issue is usually with bank-side restrictions or account type limitations, not your Experian profile. To sum it up, Experian Boost stops working mainly because of broken bank connections, unsupported accounts, or missing transaction visibility. Fixing it usually comes down to reconnecting your bank and re-enabling Boost. Your next step is to go into the app and relink your accounts carefully from scratch. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes to credit and finance apps.